Welcome to the latest edition of Oncology Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. Rgenta Therapeutics has received Orphan Drug Designation from the US FDA for RGT61159, an oral MYB splicing modulator. The designation applies to adenoid cystic carcinoma, where the agent is currently being evaluated in an ongoing Phase 1a/b trial for relapsed or refractory disease, as well as in colorectal cancer. This regulatory milestone may affect pricing dynamics and formulary access in the future. In Japan, the Ministry of Health, Labour and Welfare has approved IBTROZI, also known as taletrectinib, for patients with advanced ROS1-positive non-small cell lung cancer. The approval was based on the Phase 2 TRUST program. Nippon Kayaku will handle commercialization, with the AMOI-DX test serving as the companion diagnostic. Prescriber uptake and payer decisions will likely be shaped by further data releases. In Europe, the European Commission has approved ROMVIMZA, or vimseltinib, for the treatment of tenosynovial giant cell tumour in patients not eligible for surgery. This marks the first approval of vimseltinib in the region, supported by the Phase 3 MOTION trial. The US FDA has approved KEYTRUDA QLEX, a new subcutaneous formulation of pembrolizumab combined with berahyaluronidase alpha. Approved for use across most solid tumour indications, the formulation demonstrated comparable efficacy and pharmacokinetics to intravenous pembrolizumab in pivotal Phase 3 trials. This could streamline screening, initiation and follow-up at scale. In Europe, Servier's VORANIGO, or vorasidenib, has become the first targeted therapy approved for Grade 2 glioma with IDH mutations. The approval, granted by the European Commission, is backed by the Phase 3 INDIGO trial, which showed significant progression-free survival benefit compared to placebo. In the United States, the FDA has accepted and granted priority review to the Supplemental Biologics License application for Enhertu, in combination with pertuzumab for first-line treatment of HER2-positive metastatic breast cancer. Data from the Phase 3 DESTINY-Breast09 trial demonstrated a 44% reduction in risk of progression or death compared to trastuzumab, pertuzumab, and chemotherapy. Also in the US, the FDA approved Inluriyo, or imlunestrant, for the treatment of estrogen receptor-positive, HER2-negative, ESR1 mutated advanced or metastatic breast cancer. The approval follows results from the Phase 3 EMBER-3 trial, where Inluriyo reduced the risk of progression or death by 38% compared to standard endocrine therapy. In Canada, Quebec's health authority INESS has recommended reimbursement of the subcutaneous formulation of OPDIVO, or nivolumab, across its approved tumour indications. This decision could expand screening and treatment accessibility while easing infusion burdens. Stay ahead in oncology research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com.